Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the string start with method. So what it does, it gonna check is that string begins with that character, the specified character you need to provide, and it returns you with the boolean. So and then what we need to do is create a const and string equals, what we need to pass is the lorem, as you guessed by now, and then log it on a console. And now we're gonna check by is that begin with lorem by passing lorem, so str starts with and pass lorem. So when I do that, it's gonna give you true because it's begin with lorem. You can also pass only the lor, it's gonna say that's true. You can also pass only l, it's gonna say true. So, and if anyone wants to like check that is that begin have that character, you can do this too by passing 2, see, in the second element. And if I messed up somehow, it's gonna give you false because it don't have that. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.